know if I can go on in the car. We'll see. All right. Well, I'll see you guys later. Keep looking for setup. We all know exactly what to look for, and we all know where the draw on liquidity is. So, yeah.
Alrighty, guys. So we got this 5 minute um, pull back to here, and then ideally a confirmation long is what I'm looking at. I tried the 1 minute long. It was pretty obvious that we were going to go up at open. I feel like this break even is just never going to save you there because this 1 minute gap is just going to hold, right? It's kind of like the only reason why we came back here and caused this trade to break even at all is because we had to rebalance that 1 minute gap. So we will see. Bro, we missed it. Or maybe we tapped it to the tick. No, we missed it by a tick. And we're gone. Dude, this is so annoying. ES tapped it though, so I guess that's the reaction there. No, Vert, I don't think so. So we got the OB there on the 1 minute. OB play? No. If you are looking at the OB here, you want to see the CE get tapped and respected. So, pretty good reaction there. Yeah, Digital Nomad. Yeah, the payout policy's better. It's cheaper. Um, you get more of your balance to be able to be withdrawn. Right on Top Step, it's only half. So yeah, it's just better. Which is the OB? The 940 candle. Dude, I'm gonna be so annoyed if I go like basically a fourth trading day this week without taking a trade during AM. Oh, he's
Yo, can
back.
you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
How's that mic?
Oof. I mean, yeah, your mic's great, man.
I'm on the Lambo mic. Alright, I
Guys,
probably won't talk then.
that's why I went with the Camry. You know, I just wasn't really a fan of the Lambo mic. Do you find more success during AM and PM? It just depends on the week, but I'd say you usually get like 3 to 5 A plus setups during AM a week, and then like 2 to 4 PM. Would a 15-second confirmation be good
Wait,
here? Nah.
all right, is that better?
Yeah, it's better.
All right, I'm just watching your chart.
Alrighty. Well, I'm just gonna chill on the 1 minute.
Just for tape reading purposes, like if we get a 1 minute order block, like just mark them out
I want to touch them, but like, um, those are going to be very hard to break. If we do get one. So
For sure. I did that with this one here. I just marked out like CE, and then it got disrespected, but then it kind of held. So I don't know. Maybe this 2-minute OB will be what ends up holding.
yeah, like if you got like, I'm gonna be honest. If we get like a 2 and a 1 and a 3-minute OB, like that's more of an evo play. But if you're really waiting for that bread and butter setup, just be patient until we get light bulb setup.
Yeah, we got the macro here, so
We literally are looking for like a death candle down and then something that tricks retail and then think we're shorting.
I'm keeping an eye on
So
this
it should be.
5-minute gap here.
Yeah, I mean, if we got to play out of the 5-minute, that's exactly what we want. Like a violent candle down and then Denver's back up. Did the 2-minute OB not form?
No, it didn't. Well, actually, it kind of did, but this isn't really. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that. Dude, this has such great potential to give us a banger. How many times have we known the draw liquidity and we will get a play? And how many times have we known the draw liquidity and we won't get a play? It's literally just like same thing today. Like, I don't know if we're going to get a play to this. We know the draw liquidity, but I don't know if we're going to get a play.
Mm-hmm.
But like I always say, like, if you can learn from me where the draw liquidity is, you'll make infinite money in the future because that's all that really matters. Also, another reason why the draw liquidity is up is because we're delivering from a 15-minute to the left, which I think Reliable had marked.
Yep.
Yeah, right there. And like, also the reaction we got out of it was super bullish as well. So that's like another good sign. Dude, I hate when people look at me when I'm on stream.
Why did you not take the 1 minute from below? Reliable. I wasn't in stream when it happened. We did take the 1 minute. It was just a break-even trade. This one here came up, hit the high, break even.
I would never not go break even in that play. I mean, it's literally right and open, dude.
Mm-hmm.
That could have been really bad. Dude, everyone keeps looking at me. Stop looking at me. I just passed like 5 construction workers. They all just start staring at my car, bro. And I have my windows up, like I'm trying to work.
Get tint, man.
I do.
Oh. Well, they're not looking at you. They're looking at the car.
Like I'm like minding my own business. Like sometimes I want to be looked at, and then other times like I don't. Like right now I do not. All right. Please stop going up. Someone just short. Yo, wait, I got an idea. Yeah, who could be faded here? Yo, is plus EV in here? Go long.
Okay. Wow.
Alright, plus EV, go long. Dude, I like how I said that and then he said a chat at the same time. I did not plan that. god. That's so funny.
Dude, we're gonna miss the whole move, man. This is just gonna go hit the target.
I mean, you guys, I think this is a great chase. Like, there's no way this liquidity doesn't hit. It's just like, I don't know. Is it worth chasing and accepting that you want to average down if we do go lower? You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no doubt that this hits, and like, you know, it's a good chase. But like, would you have enough conviction to average down if we got a pullback? Which I don't know if we would.
You know, the good news is, theoretically, ES and NQ are going to want to take their data high, and ES is lagging way behind NQ. So, if we do get another long setup, we could like target ES's data high after NQ's gets hit. It's just going to be, you know, worse.
Remember, if you do chase, you never go full size. You don't even go half size. It's like 25% size. Which, again, it probably won't make you a lot of money, but at least it'll be up on the day. Ugh.
It's so over.
It's not over if you chased. Is it that? Wait, what time is it?
9:53.
So macro time. Yeah, macro time should run this. Dang, dude. It ain't so much potential.
All right, guys, who's in there off the 8:30 1-minute IFUG? It's got potential.
Yo, 5-second inverse here. Confirmation setup.
Ooh.
Oh, see this
come
one,
on,
dude,
come on.
this one.
Dude, the inverse
That's
just
what
started
we-
to trigger.
I draw out the RR tool if this were to form.
I don't know if it's gonna be very good. Let's see. Maybe on the 30-second. Oh, it's negative right now.
Oh, a little better though.
I hope we just run this.
Check the 15-second.
Same thing.
Yeah, dang it.
Yeah, we just gotta wait till we head lower. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is what we want right here. You just gotta get like good enough RR. I'm gonna have to go in 2 seconds. I'm gonna have to talk to the AT&T guy.
All right, man. Best of luck with that. Two
Check
minutes.
the chip. A minute,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's not horrible. Run down, sweep the low, get a decent FEG. Tap into the 5 minute. Okay.
All right. Well, I'm here. I gotta go.
All right, man.
All right. Hopefully this goes well. Is bias still bullish or bearish? So just because we're dumping doesn't mean the bias changes. The draw on liquidity is all that matters. So the bias does not change. Still bullish.
Dude.
All right. I'll see you guys later.
All right. See ya. And we're closing the gap, guys. We didn't even hit the 5 minute there. Bro, what the hell? Oh, there was a textbook 10-second and 5-second play at the bottom there, guys. Come on. $30. No. This tiny one, no. I mean, if you do take it, enter, before price hits this, and then go break even. We missed the 5 minute. That's why I'm not interested in it. I need price to come tap this inefficiency, or I need price to create this 15-minute gap, and then we get a long from it. I don't like it when we leave like relative equal lows here, and we miss unfilled inefficiencies. It kind of creates like a conflicting draw. I know that data highs are going to be the way more significant draw here. But when I'm longing in premium, I don't want to have a conflicting draw below, because then situations like this happen where we pull back and tap the inefficiency. I just want to have confidence that price is just going to rip up and hit that data high without me getting break even or whatever.
Sir,
All right, I'm back. I got 2 more minutes till the store opens.
All right.
Yo, check ES and YM. Is there any textbook plays on those?
Nothing on ES. Maybe a 30-second here that just formed.
No. All right, what about YM? Nope.
I'm on delayed
Nope.
data for
Nope.
this, so I don't even know. I don't know why my data's delayed.
Wait, yes, go to like the 1 minute. Yeah, dude, that's not. Nah, I don't like that. Nice. I mean, low key, if you're targeting the NQ data high, you could just use that on ES, but
We have the same thing on NQ. We
I
have these
know.
tiny ones, just I don't know. I'm of the mindset that I feel like if we're gonna get a winning play here, we have to address the unfilled 5 and the 15 minute that's forming right now. It's gonna create a conflicting draw, and it's gonna be more difficult to hit the high without getting break even or losing. And this will just create a better risk reward scenario. It'll give us delivery. So I'm just gonna wait.
maybe it's another late. Maybe to play when everyone gets off, we'll get it.
Could be. Let's see. It looks like we're about to get this tiny little 30-second here.
There's no reason why this shouldn't work, right?
Yeah, we should hit that next gap.
All right, 30-second here. It's definitely gonna be break even play, but. We still got 10 minutes left for the macro, so ideally, you want to get a high hit within the next 10 minutes.
Mhm.
If not, then maybe wait for another macro. Then you're gonna play. I don't know. This is so cookie.
Yeah, it's not looking too hot.
Did we even run the full trend line liquidity?
No.
No, damn.
No, we missed it. So there's the break even for that 30-second play.
Let's go. Let's go. Who's in? Just kidding.
Oh, still hasn't break even yet. And there it is.
All right. I gotta go.
All right. If we inverse this 1 minute, we're probably going to go to the highs. But you're just longing so high up in premium. OSFL and gold. I think an OSFL setup already played out on gold. Somebody told me about it. It was like a 3-minute short. Yeah, it looks like it lost. Yeah, because the 1 minute held, and then when we broke the 1 minute, it worked. So I guess that, completed. This death candle told you that price was going to head to the low. Longs if we take London lows and gold. Sure. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's a low inside of a gap, so sure. I don't know what your draw is. I don't know anything about gold right now. You target this high inside the gap, maybe. Stacked up liquidity there. Sure. Is this a breaker block? No. I need price to come down here. ES, did ES get the 1 minute inverse? Oh yeah, it did. Alright, cool. So maybe ES is just catching up now. What's going on?
Who's in this DS play? No, I'm just kidding. Dude, they just opened the store. It's 4 minutes late. What is this? BS.
I would sue.
I know, for real. If they're 15 minutes late, we can sue. We can tell the principal.
True.
Or we can leave. Dude, I don't want to miss this if we get something like. Have you ever been just like, ah, we're not gonna get anything, and all of a sudden we just blast down, then blast up again? Like, I don't want to miss that if it just happens.
You're gonna miss it, and then you're gonna have to sue
Like
them for the missed
yesterday
value.
in PM, yesterday in PM. Remember we blasted down,
Yeah,
and then we like went back up. Like that was a nice play. Did you take that or no?
yeah, that was the play we took, but we got break even on it before it hit
Yeah.
liquidity there.
Yeah, it was a good play.
We're gonna walk all.
I'll give us something.
Hey, I'm low key gonna degen this play. I'm probably just gonna take the 1 minute and just that'll be my play for the day. What about the 30-second last gap in the leg? We don't care. We do not care. Why even take it? If we get it during the macro, we'll accelerate to the high. If we don't get it during the macro and it's just a, slow grind up, then obviously I won't take it. Lewis entered shorts? Oh, please. Please go up. Wait, why is Lewis shorting with a data high above, though? Is that really what you guys are paying for? No, you guys are paying for the magnet. So yeah, we formed a 15-minute. That's where I'm expecting price to pull back to. We see not a full-on retrace here, probably just based off of the 930 wig. 931 wig. AM high to AM low. Maybe this low actually down here. It's probably more realistic. Dude, we're not gonna get it. No. I so badly wanted to take a long off this OB. Like, as soon as I saw this candle form, I was like, oh, we're just gonna go. And then it never formed. And then in hindsight, I should have just taken the long here after we got stop break even. Everything was telling us we were going up. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Please. Yo, is this a Super Bowl low? Like, are we all just entering as soon as this low gets hit? No, no 15-second long here. Dude, August is actually so horrible time, man. I'm not gonna lie. I thought February was gonna be the worst of the year. I think this is worse than February. This is actually so bad. This is worse than July. This is worse than June. Obviously, I think June was actually decent. May was not terrible. May was so good. What? Okay, we probably do have this 15-second that's just triggered. Yeah, so there is a 15-second here. To me, this just looks like trading in chop, though, so I'm just going to wait. I really do need this low hit. July was okay. The first few weeks of July were really good. The last week of July wasn't as good. Oh, yeah. PA right now isn't horrible, but I just mean, like, for example, yesterday or Tuesday. Like, PM session has just been so horrible. AM hasn't been great either. February wasn't, like, as bad as this. I don't remember it being as bad. Yeah, July I got, like, 3 payouts. I actually didn't think July was too bad. I think April, like, if you would have taken every IFG setup in April, you'd be up, like, probably 2,000 points. And that's not even, like, an exaggeration. I think if you went back and back-tested, you could probably make, I don't know, 40 grand on a mini that month. Just hold till final TP for every trade. The gold domino. This is what PA looks like when you're between conflicting draws, when you have an unfilled 15-minute and a data high. That's why I wasn't trying to take nothing until we swept one side. Please. Please, NQ. Please. How many of you guys still send streaks? I took the 1 minute. Dude, I just had to send my streaks to my girl. And then I got this one dude that I've been friends with since like 8th grade or 7th grade or whatever, and we have like an insanely long streak. That's got to be gay though, right? 30-second on YM. Let's see. How long? Like 3,000 days. Oh God, it's oh God, that's almost 10 years. Yo, that's crazy. I have delayed data on YM. I can't tell you anything about it. Also, I will never look at YM. Nothing wrong with being gay, by the way. Just, you know. What is this Drake handle? I don't know, dude. If we don't get the gap, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Yo, what are we doing? Ban everyone. Munchies, just ban everyone. Ban the whole chat. Do you have, I don't know. Because somebody made a comment about reliable stop loss, so I just made a joke there. Regarding PA in April, I backtested the indicator in the 5-minute chart blindly, following all valid alerts and setting the entire position at the dotted line. And I'm pretty sure it was like 34 wins and like 7 losses. Yeah, that checks out. 5-minute gold long. Did we hit London lows? Because that's the only way I'd be interested in a gold long. Oh, wait a minute. 4-minute looks best here. Yeah, the 2-minute's probably going to trigger before the 5-minute. This gold long is probably textbook. Wow. Yeah, I mean, as long as I think we're reacting off like what, that 30-minute to the left, and yeah, this is I mean, this is A+. This gold long, bro. Why did we miss the gap, dude? That's crazy spurious. Like, I haven't taken a trade in 4 days. In AM. I haven't taken a trade in 4 days. Not even CPI. There was the 2-minute long, but I don't know. I didn't take that. The 2-minute long was fine though. I went back and journaled it and tried to figure out what I did wrong and why I didn't take that trade, and I realized my mistake, so that's all. 5 minutes best on gold. I like the 2-minute or the 5-minute there. Both of them are fine. I mean, yeah, we're just gonna run for the highs at this point. Wow, it's just gonna go really without us. Oh wait, maybe not. Maybe no close above. Okay, maybe we hold it again. So ES is officially caught up with NQ. They're in about the same place now. Dude, it's over. It's so over. All right. F you chase long here if you want. 5-minute closed over the bearish gap here. Gold break even. Your gold break even would just be this high, but you could probably hold till here. Oh no, this is a high inside the gap, so you should just go break even there, I guess. So no close over that 1 minute. Yeah, now we've stalled before the close. Usually you want to see good momentum through the close. Should you full port? Why didn't we take the 1 minute on gold? Because I don't trade gold. Plus, this is like pretty V-shaped looking after we swept London lows, and we're reacting off a BDRA to the left. I mean, you can wait for the 1 minute. I just don't see why you need the extra confirmation here after the 5 and the 2 inverse, and this looks pretty V-shaped. Alright, alright. So now we have internal versus external. Where would you put your take profit on gold? First TP at 349. Maybe try and go for London high. I don't know if that's a little ambitious, but maybe TP at 359, TP at 349, and then maybe go for London high. I don't know. I'm guessing we have like a 15-second here on NQ. Yeah, I mean, doesn't look horrible. There's a 30-second there. I'm not taking any of this. I'm waiting for the 1 minute, or I'm going to wait until we resweep this low. We tapped that 3-minute gap on NQ there, so I think that's why we had to pull back. YM potential long. I can't look at YM. For some reason, it's delayed data. I think it's because I logged in using MFFU instead of Apex, so I don't have the data for YM. Yeah, no, OPEX always causes the market to chop. I'm actually kind of concerned for PM. Because normally on OPEX, it's like pretty 50-50, but we shall see. Reliable. Apart from the fills, why don't you want a live account with a prop firm? I mean, it's more expensive. There's, I don't know, there's a little bit more psychological pressure. You know, you get less leverage with some prop firms. I think with MFFU, though, it's the same. Am I streaming PM tomorrow? Yes. What's my Insta? Private. What's my phone number? DM me. Um, Social Security, DM me. Free PM stream today. If we don't hit the data high, I will do a free PM stream today. All right, Munchies, actually just ban everyone again. Do I always trade PM? Yeah. Will the liquidity live stream be recorded today? Yeah, it'll be recorded from the AT&T store. He's gonna pull up on one of the demo phones and do it. Why did gold just slow down? Because you entered the trade. Oh, we're about to hit the break even. Is there a reason I prefer AM or PM over AM? I don't prefer anyone, which way or the other. I just trade it because Dodgy streams AM and I stream PM. How many hours do I trade per day? 5. No, we're trading NQU 2025, Monkey. We took a trade yesterday, Seb, but it was just break even. Favorite liquor? I don't really drink liquor. I like beer. I like Vert. Yeah, I said that was the same exact thing. Yeah. What kind of beers? I like most of the domestics, and then we went to this craft brewery in Roanoke. It's called Three Notches. They had like a couple good IPAs that we tried there. A hazy IPA. I like the Voodoo Ranger stuff, but I'm like still getting into it a little bit. Oh, if you guys are ever in Wisconsin, Spotted Cow is really good. Stella's good. Taking this, I mean, not gonna say nothing. Dodgy would say this play has a 100% win rate. Depends on the IPA you drink for sure. Not all of them are horrible. But yeah, some of them are really bad for sure. Like just straight taste like feet. I want to try Yingling or whatever it's called, the oldest brewery in America. Has anyone ever tried Yingling? Alright, so we're about to retrace to the 1 minute. I'm going to take away from it now. Yeah. Yeah, Jam. All right, guys. 100% win rate play incoming. Or 99%, sorry. 99. Guys, I didn't get filled in my retrace. Because I think the close was too high to be considered 1-1. Or maybe it was like exactly 1-1. No, it's not. It's actually negative. Yeah, I missed my retrace by a tick, so I'm not in this play. Alright, there's the break even for the 1 minute. Okay, well, it looks like the 1 minute's going to be a break-even trade. Oh my god. I mean, maybe you don't get break-even there. Maybe you got lucky. It didn't quite hit the break-even. Oh, bang. Oh, darn. No free PM. Darn. Alright, who took the 100% win rate play? Oh, wait. Gold long is probably going to get break even. True, Samuk. True. This OSFL was a banger. What do you mean? You just went straight to the target. So, ES still has to come up and hit its data high, so I imagine we'll keep running until that happens. Considering we still have liquidity above, we got previous day high here, so my Siri just activated when I started talking about liquidity. So the algo knows. Oh, Dodgy took it. Let's go. Oh, he took the tiny little 30-second here. Gotcha, okay. Gotcha. Alright. I guess, yeah. Now we'll see. Imagine Munchies. Actually, why would you sell there with a data high above? No disrespect. Just out of curiosity. How do you get into PM stream? wap.com/nqreliable. Did I take that? No, I missed my retrace entry by a tick. Yeah. I was trying to just enter here so I had better risk to reward, and I just missed it. True. Yeah, this will be now my 4th day in a row I haven't taken a trade. How is gold doing? Gold is break even. Right? Everyone got break even on gold. It is not? Oh, okay, I guess it's not. Yeah, for sure, bro. I just know that these like aren't the greatest conditions in the world, right? All-time highs PA is officially in full effect. But I'm sure I'll get a comment telling me that I'm in the bakery shortly here because I didn't enter. Gold futures, that's what I'm... Oh! Yeah, I see what you mean. Gold futures, so let's see. What is that? GC1? Alright, let's see. Oh, gold futures did not hit the break even. Well, isn't that a funny little SMT? I was just on the XAU ticker because I assumed it was the same, but I guess it's not. So I guess gold has not hit its break even yet. So I guess the break even is still about to be hit. Maybe it'll get hit here. No, I think it's the pair, so it's a little different than futures. It's like a forex pair versus the future. Yeah, for sure, Munchies, for sure. That makes sense. No, I mean, if the gold futures doesn't hit the break even, then you gotta wait. What, Samook? What? No. Alright, yeah, I mean, I guess the data high hit, so the day is over now. I'll catch you guys off for the liquidity class. The only setup really was the 1 minute here. That's about it. Alright, Vevis, we will catch you in PM. I mean, look at, as soon as we hit the data high, we're literally, this has been the market the last like 4 days or whatever. We hit our draw in the morning and then we just chop. I have no idea, Batman. That's a question for Dodgy. Oh, I saw Dodgy's tweet. Somebody posted it in here. Was the 4 minute at the bottom a good loss? The short or the long? Oh, the long? No, I would have never longed into the void like that. I would have waited for structure to form more to the right here. You know, maybe price manipulates down and reruns the low. That's what I would have waited for. And then if that didn't happen, I would have tried to wait for a confirmation setup. And then if that didn't happen, I would have taken the FU long right before data high got hit. So I just followed my plan exactly. And I didn't get nothing. It's the only time I'll take a stupid long in premium. But I still have to have good risk to reward on it. And when we got the close there, it wasn't. So I went to the default then, which is to wait for the retrace. And then my limit order didn't get filled by a tick. So I just missed the move. Is gold still valid? Let's take a look. I mean, it hasn't failed yet. I don't know anything about gold, guys. I just saw a setup and it looked good. So that's about it. If gold futures doesn't hit, but the gold XAU USD pair hit, I don't know what that means. I assume it's not relevant. I assume you just want to stick to gold futures, but like I said, I have no experience trading gold, so I have no idea. Oh, this is GC. Oh, that's why I was using. Okay. I see the. Yeah, so my gold futures are delayed, so I really can't. I can't help you guys at all with this. Sorry. The masterclass Maj is at 11. But yeah, ES is coming up for its data high now. Yo.
Yo, hello. Dude, I just smacked that trade, and my mom was pissed. She's like yelling. Dude, she was like yelling at the person. I'm just like in a trade, and
Oh, he cut out. I wouldn't short until ES data high gets hit, by the way, guys. I just wouldn't short actually at all. It's all time highs.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Dude, I was taking that trade, and my mom was, like, yelling at this AT&T worker, and, dude, my heart started beating because I thought she was going to take my phone from me. And I was in a trade, and, like, the AT&T worker, like, came in on short notice or whatever, so she was pissed, too. But,
Wow.
so I don't know if you guys saw the play it took, but basically I took the 30-second, and then once we inversed that small 1 minute to the left, I didn't move stop to break even. I just moved my stop loss up to that.
For sure, for sure. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Sure.
Remember the small gap you were playing out in ES and NQ from before?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, so I took the 30-second, and then I just moved my stop when we broke that instead of going break even because I knew that odds were in it.
Yeah. I told
But,
everyone
you know,
that the 1 minute here was just a 100% win rate play.
Dude, it was, bro. Absolute banger. But yeah, it's tough to get in something like that unless you just use the screen time, bro. Like, just based off that candle, like, and the speed, and I saw my time and the 30-second order block, I just knew he'd run.
Yep.
So, all right, I'm gonna go home right now and I'm gonna do a liquidity class.
Alrighty. I'll wrap up stream then shortly.
All right, yeah, I'll be home in like 10.
Perfect. Gold long not cooking? Darn. R.I.P. the gold long. What is the class under? I have no idea. I'm guessing we'll be able to see it pretty clearly when he goes live. It'll probably just be under the normal stage. Keep in mind, guys, the gold long still hasn't failed yet. There's still a chance. Have hope. Believe. That 1009 inversion is a good play at the 30-second. 1009. 1009. Yo, low key. Why wasn't this a play? 1009, no, it's definitely not obvious enough. Maybe throw it in a prompt sensation like on ChatGPT. Guys, AM session Wordle. Wow. Okay. We got the K. Let's think. It's so weird that the K is there. Maybe it starts with K? E L something? Like what? Oh, Neil. Ooh, that was a good one. Nell? I don't know. I don't... What else could it be? Is it just double L? Like... Okay. I guess. I don't even know that that's a word. Okay, so ES ran its data high. What is Canal? What? No. Dude, that's the sound of my accounts. That's why we got that word. It's because they knew that today was garbage. A weapon in Warframe? Oh, so okay. So remember when I said that because ES still had its data high, you could probably hold here on NQ until that data high got hit. This is why. The data highs will get hit on both indices usually. So when they're uncorrelated, you can assume that price will run the data high on the opposite indice. Is gold good to long? We already, I guess, established that the gold long I thought was A+. I didn't see nothing wrong with it, but it looks like it's failing, so. But yeah, there's nothing else for us to do today. We're just going to kind of watch, I guess, the last 12 minutes of the session and then wrap up here. Gold cooked? Oh yeah, no, gold's cooked. If we look to the left here, we're running into an hourly gap. We've already blasted past the 4 hour. So I don't think shorts here are in the cards at all. Why did gold fail? I have no idea. I don't trade gold. I mean, gold hasn't failed yet. Everyone's asking why gold failed. It hasn't failed. The loss for the 5 minute is still, you know, if we close back below, the 2 minute is about the same, right? I mean, sometimes, we just retrace heavily before seeing the move. Maybe the reason why gold failed is because we still have sell side below that needs to be ran here. I don't know. This sell side is a low inside the gap, so it's going to be a decent draw. Maybe it's because we're reacting bearishly out of a daily gap. Right? Maybe the higher time frame is just bearish here, right? We didn't close over this 4 hour, so maybe you're just taking a long against the bias. Gold never failed. How has gold failed? Or maybe it's on GC1 that it failed. It failed on GC1? Oh, great. So yeah, I mean, my what's it called? Analysis on gold just, I guess, isn't reliable. So we'll just never look at gold ever again. If somebody asks me about gold, I'll just reference back to this time. We have a 2-minute short here. Oh wait, it didn't trigger. There's a tiny little gap below that. But yeah, if you want to short all-time highs, because we left a bunch of inefficiencies behind, this is it. Yeah, I have no idea, Jeremy. So maybe he meant like, okay, he was originally in this 30-second long, okay, and then he had his like entry here or something, and a stop loss at like the lower gap, and then once the 1 minute inverse from his entry, he just moved the stop up to here. But yeah, I don't know. We have another 100% win rate long here. I mean 99%. Right? By the way, obviously I'm joking about taking this long, guys. We're like all the way up in premium and we swept out like data highs.
Hey, Becco.
What's going on?
I'm home.
Oh.
Daddy's back. I'm gonna dude, I was trying to get on stream to alert that played you guys, and like, bro, I just couldn't, dude. If my mom heard anything coming from my phone, she'd be like, "What are you doing on your phone?"
We
And I
just got
would've
a
got
short.
cooked. Really? You taking it?
Yep, already in. It's gonna work. All-time high shorts always work.
Let me check it. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. LRR below. Dude, this is a banger, bro. LRR below, intermediate term high below. Wait, did ES have the data highs?
Yep.
Dude, perfect then. Yeah, I was gonna say if ES didn't have the data highs, then I wouldn't even think about it. But this is low key actually pretty good. I'm gonna do the liquidity masterclass in here.
For sure, for sure.
All right, Reliable, can you end the stage? And then can you, actually, before we end it, can you allow everyone to join the MPM team to join?
Yeah, you just want all premium or everyone?
Everyone. Everyone premium and PM stream.
Okay. Okay, everyone's got access. Alright, you want me to end stage, you said?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
End the stage and then I'll restart it.
Peace out, everyone. See you in a sec.